Hi, this is Nicolette with your Social Media Mogul, and tonight I'm going to show you how you can add RSS feeds to Triber, and these are just a few different ways that you can add them. Now, as you can see, this is an RSS feed for VA Simple Services blog, and she has a feed that is coming from FeedBurner. And if you go to her blog, this is the feed that she's probably using for the subscribe to my blog feed, which is fine, and that's probably the one, that's not the one that I would use. What I would use whenever I put in there is http:// VA Simple Services, which is basically the same thing. Now, what would happen if I left both of those in there? People would get her blog twice, so you definitely don't want to do that. Both of these will work. It's just that this is going through her FeedBurner and the other one is just going through her blog. Now, if you don't know how to use, if you don't know what your feed is, or if that doesn't work for you, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to see what your feed URL is. Now, for Chrome, what you can do is click on the little wrench in the top right hand corner, go to Tools, go to View Source, and then you want to click on the wrench again and go to Find, and you want to type in the word feed, and it's going to find every instance of the word feed, and that's going to show you the RSS feed. So that's VA Simple Services feed. This is the one that's going through FeedBurner. So that's for hers. Now let's say, for instance, I want to find it for a different blog. Here's a blog. If I wanted to find it for that one, I'm going to say find feed. First I have to do view source, don't I? Find view source, and then find feed. buzzingup.com/feed, and then that one, it has feed/Atom. So let's say, for instance, you tried to use feed and that didn't work. Another alternative would be feed/Atom, because the default feed doesn't always work. So that's another way that you can find it. Now this is for Chrome. If you don't have Chrome, let's say for instance you use Firefox. Here's Firefox. What you do is you use Tools, and you go to Options. You go to Page Info, and you click on the little orange button that says Feeds. That will show you the feed for your blog. So these are some different ways you can find the feed for your blog that you're looking for. So I hope this was helpful to you. This is Nicolette with your Social Media Mogul. And if you have any questions, feel free to post them on my Facebook fan page, and I will go there for you right now. It's facebook.com, your Social Media Mogul, and just post them right here on my wall. Have a great day.